In SOLIDWORKS 2025, we now have the ability to reload drawings. With this option, users can revert to the last saved version on the disk with a single click. There's no longer any need to close the drawing without saving and reopening it. And the dialog box appears to highlight any potential loss of changes. The next enhancement has to do with bill of materials. In a previous release, a new option was added to include the option for detailed cut list as part of a bill of materials, which is particularly useful for assemblies that include weldment components. Bill of materials have now been enhanced enough that they can be used in place of a standard cut list. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2025, users can take advantage of a simple checkbox to override the value for quantity, and instead calculate the quantity based on whatever attribute is assigned in the cut list, in this case length. Of course, keeping your drawings up to date with the latest standards is of the utmost importance. The surface finish symbol options have been updated in accordance with ISO 21920 standard. And using saved styles speeds up the process of adding repeated annotations. The last enhancement for drawings is related to exporting DXFs and DWG files. This new option to export drawing views as blocks makes it easier to edit drawings in 2D programs like DraftSight, for example. Often when opening drawings in 2D CAD programs, the first thing users would have to do is to select all the individual entities for each view to generate blocks, in order to leverage them more easily. This new option eliminates that step for users, making it easier and smoother to go from your SOLIDWORKS drawing to DXF and DWG. And that's what's new for drawings in SOLIDWORKS 2025.